Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. If you're new to this channel, you're highly and highly welcome to subscribe to this channel and share the link of the channel to some student out there of yours. Alright, so let's look at today's question. Okay, it says if x is equals to minus 3, find the value of, we have A, B, C, and D. Okay, so whenever you come across problems like this, when you see these two signs, okay, it is a problem on what? Modulus, okay? Or we'll say absolute what? Value. So what do we mean by absolute value, okay, or modulus? For instance, if I say the modulus of 4, okay, this is modulus of 4 is the what? 4, okay? If I say the modulus of minus 4 is the what? 4. So what it means is in modulus, okay, you want to take the value of the what? The number, ignoring its sign, okay? So if, for instance, we say modulus of minus 9, it means I want to ignore the sign and take, okay, the actual value here, which is just 9, okay? So having done this, we should now have an idea what modulus or absolute value is all about. Remember, the modulus must always be equal to or greater than 0. And the modulus of, for instance, 0 is the what? 0. Okay? So you should remember it must be greater than or equal to 0. And modulus simply has to do with what? The actual size of the real number ignoring its sign. So the actual size of this is what? 9 ignoring the sign. The actual size of 4 is still 4. The actual size of minus 4 is actually 4 ignoring the sign. Okay? So now let's use this knowledge to solve the problems we have on the board. Now for the first problem is very easy. We are simply going to say modulus, remember x is minus 3, so we are going to input minus 3 here. So modulus of minus 3 is going to be, we are going to pick what? The actual value here, which is 3, and ignoring this sign. So our answer to this first one is what? 3. What about the second one? We have x modulus, or the absolute value of x. So remember our x is minus 3, so we have x as minus 3. Okay, now x is multiplying the modulus of this, so we have the modulus, okay, of what? X again, which is what? Minus what? 3. Okay, so this is going to give us what? We have minus 3. Okay, now modulus of what? Minus 3 is picking this value, ignoring this. So we have this as going to be what? 3. So minus 3 times 3 is going to give us what? Minus 9. So that gives us the solution for the second one. Okay, let's solve the third one. Now, all we need to do is we are going to input the value of x here and solve this. So let's see what that gives us. So we have x squared plus x. Okay, so our x is, remember, minus 3. So we have minus 3 all in bracket square plus our x is also minus 3. So we are going to solve all this and see what that gives us. So we have minus 3 squared is going to give us 9. So we have 9 plus, we have minus 3 in bracket. So 9 plus minus is what? Minus. So we have 9 minus what? 3. Okay. So this will give us what? Modulus of what? 9 minus 3 is 6. So modulus of 6 is the what? 6. So that gives us the answer to the third one. Now for the last one, we are simply going to substitute the value of x as minus 3 into this modulus. So let's see what that gives us. We are going to have 7 multiplied by what? Minus 3 minus 1, okay, divided by what? 2. Remember, when you're solving, you should always put your modulus what? Signs. So this is going to give us 7 times minus 3 is minus 21, okay, minus 1 divided by what? 2. Okay. Now, minus 21 minus 1 is going to give us what? Minus 22 divided by 2, which will further give us 2 divided 22. We know is going to give us 11. So we have modulus or absolute value of minus 11. And that will give us, we are simply going to pick this ignoring this sign. So our answer here is 11. All right. So that gives us the answer to these simple problems. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment or two. I'm going to see you guys in my next one.